Imagine a world where your Tesla, an epitome of advanced engineering and sleek design, faces a minor hiccup and your local mechanic can't help you out. Sounds like a dystopian future, right? Well, it's more real than you might think. If current trends among automakers persist, this could very well be the reality for electric vehicle owners. Recent reports suggest that automakers, including our beloved Tesla, are pushing for restrictions on independent repair shops for electric vehicles. This move could see the decline of independent mechanics and result in longer wait times for repairs. While automakers are required to provide repair information to both their dealers and independent shops, this may change as electric vehicle technology advances. Advocates for the right to repair are calling for new laws to ensure that customers have independent options for vehicle repair. The fear is, without access to repair information, car owners will be forced to use franchise dealers. Major automakers argue that the necessary repair data is already available, and that further access to telematics data is unnecessary and could pose cybersecurity risks. Tesla has already shown success in directing customers to use its own service network. However, many customers have expressed frustration with long wait times and limited inventory. Customer service satisfaction among electric vehicle owners is already lower than among gas-powered car owners. Electric vehicle service is a unique landscape that requires specialized tools and technicians, leading to increased time and expense for repairs. In Canada, the accelerated timeline to fully embrace electric vehicles brings into focus a key bill, the Right to Repair Bill. This bill would force automakers to share parts, software, and training used for repairs. Should it fail to pass, it could result in job losses in the sector. Currently, electric vehicles like Tesla operate in a closed ecosystem, making them inaccessible to typical mechanics. The United States has already passed a right to repair policy, but Canada's bill faces opposition from automakers. In a rather adventurous twist, a group of YouTubers and electric vehicle mechanics collaborated to build the world's first off-road Tesla Model 3. This project highlights the challenges faced by Tesla owners in repairing their vehicles and the need for the right to repair. In summary, the landscape of Tesla car repairs is changing. Restrictions on independent repair shops could lead to longer wait times and a decline in the number of independent mechanics. Advocates are calling for new laws to ensure customers have independent options for vehicle repair. The Right to Repair Bill is a hot topic, with potential implications for automakers, mechanics, and electric vehicle owners alike. Lastly, the innovative spirit of the Tesla community continues to shine through, as seen in the world's first off-road Tesla Model 3 project. Remember, like any technology, electric vehicles are not immune to hiccups, so it's crucial that we have the resources to fix them when necessary.